We're going to the mall and what we're gonna do?
Change my name.
Show me your nails. Gusto mo rin magpagupit? Pagupit ka? Ha? Pa ako inaayan itong ni Zoe. Anong gusto mong gawin? Do her fingernails daw. Natutulog ako kanina, pinilit ako gising, siya na ng gising. What? No, it's not there. It's over the other side. Okay, push the door. Go, go, go. Tapos na si Madam? Hindi ka. What's next? Huh? What's next?